listen to Sophie.
Whoa.
What is all that stuff?
Beautiful. Santa. Where you go, Santa?
Wow, Sophie. Which one is the big one over here? Look at this big one.
Whoa, trap.
Honey, ew.
Where is it? Where's my emoji house?
Which one do you think it is?
I don't know. Maybe it's in here?
No.
No.
Over here?
No.
I bet you it's this one.
Santa put candy.
Sophie.
You gotta open it up. See what's inside.
What'd you get? Hey, Toby, come here, Cole.
Here.
She was cold.
Remember when your parents used to make
I'm married.
waiting for everybody's ready and all that stuff?
That's from Brooke.
That's for me.
Downstairs.
Santa must have put it in there.
Torture technique?
Yeah.
Do you like it? It's for me.
And then they took movies.